Yeah, like whenever my mom would have some like new furniture need to put together, it was always fun to use the tools and figure it out. I always liked solving problems and fixing things, and so starting in like 5th grade, I joined the robotics team. It was a Vex robotics team that really solidified that that's what I wanted to do. Being a part of those teams like made me really enjoy engineering and robotics, and also like looking back on it, it's really cool to see how it influenced me and how it gave me an opportunity to learn and to explore like what these things are. And so coming back, it's kind of like a full circle moment. Now I get to help work on the new educational products so that other students get to have a similar opportunity that I did. Engineering is a way to help people, a way to solve problems, a way to improve the world around you. Yeah, it's a good time. It's a great time. I love solving problems, and it's a little exciting when you get something good.